Harvey Mahoka, I'm gonna teach you how to play Thinking Out Loud by only strumming. So it's just basic, guys. You're just gonna play D chord, just like after D. It's just your one hand, your one finger here, third string, second fret, and another here, and middle here. After D is G. Just the point finger is here, middle finger here, and D here. And so let's start again. And after G is A. Here. So easy only. Here, and here, okay, and here. So repeat G, D again. Just repeat lang po sa verse. Sa chorus, saan ba yun? In the chorus, I think, or verse, yeah, it's just play in the E. People fall in love in mysterious way. Okay, sorry, dun po yan. So E, E minor, and after E minor, A. E minor, A, D. Okay. Let's start from the beginning. Your legs don't walk like you used to walk. Tapos kaya na ako mag-turn. People fall in love in a mysterious way. Baby, just a touch of a hand. I just keep on making the same. Tapos meron po D pala. D minor yata. Hoping that you'll understand, baby, now. Tapos yung sa We Found Love, B minor rock. We, tapos A, Found Love, G. Ayun lang ako. So, easy lang ako naman play. So, una, D. Tap. G. G. Kikita nyo ba yan? G. Ayan, ang G. Tap. A, bigla. Tapos di ulit. G. A. Tapos, kung gusto nyo agad sa People E. People fall in love in a mysterious way. So, E minor. People fall in love in a mysterious way. Baby, just a touch of hand. Sir, paano ko? So, ayun lang ako. So, D una. A, E, A, E. So, yun lang po. Bye guys.